Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Preeti, and in this tutorial today we will see what is constructor, what are the types of constructor, and we will also perform a practical so we get to know how exactly constructor works. So what is the constructor? It is a special code of a block or a function which is used to initialize or to create an object. So whenever you create a object of your class, your constructor gets called. So what constructor do is constructor will set values to your variables. It will initialize or it will assign some values. Whenever you create object of your class, your constructor gets called. So, and in case if you didn't provide any constructor, Java will provide you a default constructor with some default value. So now we will see what are the types of constructor. So we have a default constructor and a parameterized constructor. So in case you forget to provide any constructor, in that case, default constructor will be provided by your Java, and which will assign or which will set your variables to their default value. For example, if you have integer variables, then the initial value of your integer variables will be 0. If you have a string, then the value of your string will be null. And if you have any floating or double data type, then they will be set to their initial values, for example 0.0, like. And our parameterized constructor, it is a constructor which is returned by a developer. So you can also create your own parameterized constructor with your values, with your parameters which you want to pass to your which you want to pass to your constructor. So now we will move toward our IDE. Now, as I mentioned that you can provide a parameterized constructor to your class. And I forget to mention two things, that one of it is the constructor name should be same as the name of your class. It is always same as the name of your class. And second thing, there is no return type to your constructor. We didn't return anything from a constructor, we just initialize the values. So there is no need to write a return. Now we will have a public sample with some parameters. Okay, so what we will do is we will create a string str, and what we will do is we will simply um, write as out hello. Sorry, we need to write it as in double quote, hello plus str plus welcome to welcome to the constructor. Okay, great. So this is a simple value, simple code we have written. We are simply just writing out this statement. Great. So we'll create object sample official is equal to new sample with the string. So right, okay, we need to take this. Okay. So now this constructor is returning nothing, so we don't need to store this anything anywhere. We are just creating object and we are not calling any method. So what we will do, will simply compile the sample dot check. Great. Now Java. Great. Sorry that we forget to give a space here, so it is written as a simple single word. So here we got our hello TechTales. Welcome to the constructor. Okay, so this is a parameterized constructor. You can pass the parameters to your constructor uh, while creating the object. Okay, so now what we will do is I have one more thing to show you. So I have mentioned that we like whenever you forget to, if you forget to write any default constructor, Java will provide you a default constructor with the default values. But if you have provided if you have provided a parameterized constructor, Java will not provide you a default constructor. So what will happen is we will not be able to create object object with a default constructor. You will always need to write, or you will always need to pass a string here in this while creating the object of the sample. Okay, because one constructor with we have one parameterized constructor, so we can write our own default constructor with the default values. So what we'll do is we'll create one default constructor without any parameters, and we'll write here hello, welcome to the welcome to the default constructor. F-A-U-L-T constructor. Constructor. C-O-N-S-T-R-O. Sorry. Okay. So now we'll write your name. Preeti. It sounds great, right? Hello, Preeti. Welcome to the constructor. And we will write here details. Hello, Title. Welcome to the constructor. Great. Sounds great, right? We'll save it once and we'll try to compile it. Um, Java C sample dot Java. Great. It's compiled successfully and we have got the output. Very nice. So first we have called, or we have first created a object with the parameter which is Preeti. So we have passed Preeti here. So first our parameterized constructor get called. Then we have created default constructor. So after the then we have created object with the default constructor. So we have got the we have got this output system like hello TechTales. Okay, so I hope you guys understood the concept of constructor. If you like the video, please hit a like button. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubt or if you have any queries or any questions, please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.